Back when I was 17, I dove into the affiliate marketing world thinking I'd be swimming in cash. But man, it was like swimming against a current. Sales were not just happening. I tried everything from social media to email blasts, but it was a struggle. I was doing everything right, but no results. Although I'm able to generate some decent traffics, getting like over 1,000 views, but none of it is converting to sales. Then I said, okay, this has to stop. I get into research on what to do to change that, and I stumble onto CPA marketing. It looks easy and perfect for beginners because it's all about getting paid for actions like signups and form fields, not just sales. I was skeptical, but I gave it a shot. And you won't believe what happened next. It worked like crazy. Instead of hunting for sales, I focused on driving traffic, and those tiny actions started piling up, bringing in some serious cash. So stick with me to the end of the video and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it and why it's better than affiliate marketing. Also, I'm going to show you step by step how you can make this CPA marketing your secret weapon for success. Here on BitIQ, we share with you ultimate ways you can make money online, and we talk a lot about affiliate marketing.
So subscribe.
You don't want to subscribe or like this video because you haven't learned anything yet. I get it and it's fair, but make sure you hit the like button after the juice. Excited? You should be. Let's dive into it. CPA marketing stands for cost per action marketing. Yeah, I know it's not much of a mystery because you probably heard a lot about it, but trust me, this time it's different because I'm going to explain it plainly and show you how you can implement a working strategy that will help you succeed with CPA marketing in no time. We need to understand the difference between affiliate marketing and CPA marketing. For affiliate marketing, picture yourself as a product promoter. When someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. Your control over the product and customer service is limited. You got no control on the product. You can't change how much it sells or anything. That's for the vendor. All you can do is to promote and you get commissions after it makes sales. And success in affiliate marketing relies heavily on driving lots of traffic to the product. On the other hand, CPA marketing, here's where the magic happens. You get paid for specific user actions, like signing up or trying out something. It's more flexible, meaning you can promote various offers and earn from different actions. The best part, you can make even bigger earnings with less pressure on sales. So now that we understand the difference between affiliate marketing and CPA marketing, I'm going to show you a complete strategy that you can implement to make CPA marketing a better marketing tool for you. So first, we are going to see how and where you can find your CPA offer that you can promote. And CPA Grip always hits the top of the list. Just head to cpagrip.com, click on sign up button and create an account. After that, it's going to take you to the dashboard under public chat where they share most recent achievements and earnings. You can see this user earned over $1,000 all time with just 540 leads. So he just get 540 people to submit their emails or complete a survey, and he earned over $1,000. This is insane. You can see many more here. This guy hit over $36,000 all time. This one made $15 yesterday with just 75 leads. And
you can do better.
Scroll down and here's the recent added offers and top performing offers from different countries. Next is you click on offer tools, my offers. The offers are classified into country and categories. We need to change the categories to email/zip submit, which means you only need offers that your viewer will need to submit their name and email only. And after it updates, now let's change the specific country, which means only the viewers from that country counts. So we need to select a country where a lot of people can see our CPA offer. That takes us to step 3. Now I know you're enjoying the video because I do. So before we go to the next step, it's time to hit the like button. Thank you. Now up to step 3. Most affiliates and CPO marketers uses Pinterest as their traffic source, which is good and lands some decent views. But we are going to use even bigger traffic source for this one, which is Quora.com. So first, you need to understand where Quora traffic is coming from. The best tool for that is SimilarWeb.com. In the search bar, enter Quora.com and hit enter. It will give you the complete webtopsy on Quora, from the monthly visit to revenue, competitions, and traffic source, which is what we are looking for. The top countries are United States, India, and UK. So you are going to find your offer around these countries if you are going to use Quora as your traffic source. Now go back to CPA Grip and search for United States. There's not much of sweet offers to promote for now, but you can find some if you are watching the video from a different time. So switch to India, nothing good. Next up is UK, and there you go. Here's some free offers you can promote for PC users and phones. So 80% of your views may be using phones. So you take for Android offer, like this one is good. Claim your £500 Morrison gift card now. It's for Androids and the user only need to submit their emails. So now that we find the offer to promote, let's go back to Quora and search for our question. Now head to search and look for questions to answer. Let's see, where can I get a free gift card? You see lots of questions because Quora is where people come and ask different kind of questions. Here's one. Where is the best place to get free gift cards online? Click on it and you can see it has few response, which means you may be the one to answer this question properly. So click on answer. Let's say check out this and go back to the offer and copy some parts of it that will make sense. Paste it, which complete the title. Hey, check out this £500 Morrison gift card now. Now copy the link from the offer and paste it here. Convert it to link. And to make it professional, let's add a cover image. Same as the link, go back to the offer and copy the image and paste it here. Now it's time to add some hashtags to make the answer easy to discover. Let's say hashtag gift card, hashtag giveaway, hashtag free card, hashtag free. Now click post to make the answer public. And this is how the post will look like. Here's the link and the cover image. It just asks the viewer to enter their name, surname, and email and continue. And that's what's gonna enforce them to try. Because it's not going to cost them anything, but may end up getting them something. And when they click on the offer and complete the commands, boom, you get paid. Did you like the video? If you do, hit the like button. See you in the next video.